to air your dirty laundry. If you air your laundry, that means you put your laundry, you hang your laundry up, usually outside, in the wind, so it can dry, right? You air your laundry. But this expression, this idiom means you are discussing your private life, usually problems in your life, in front of other people, to air your dirty laundry. This could be in a public place, maybe in a restaurant, at a shop, in the bank. People are airing their dirty laundry. Perhaps they're arguing with each other in public. Maybe somebody is on the phone talking about some problems, private problems in their life, and everybody else can hear. This is to air your dirty laundry. I mean, think about it, right? You don't want everybody to see your dirty laundry, and likewise, you don't want everybody to hear about your personal problems. At least most of us don't want that. Let us know about a time that you saw somebody air their dirty laundry.